Hey, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is about reusing hair from a QuickWeave. This is a QuickWeave that I did using 3 bundles of hair from my own collection, which is called GLEEmade. And this is 3 bundles of body wave. And what I did was I sectioned the hair off and I bleached the front of the hair. I want to do a 2-tone look today. So I did dye it with red hair dye from Temptation, and I will link that dye down below. And this is how the QuickWeave came out. Now, as you know, you can absolutely reuse QuickWeaves. All you do is just take them off of the stocking cap. And so that's what I did. I pulled all the tracks off the stocking cap and then I got started sectioning my hair. If you guys didn't know, I did color my hair fire engine red several months ago. It's not this color anymore, but this is an old video. So this was when my hair was growing out a little bit. So I just sectioned off the leave out in the front and braided that away. And then I also sectioned off a side curved middle part, and you'll see me go ahead and creating that middle part for leave out, not middle part, side part for leave out as well. So I did want to show you guys how I reuse my bundles. The hair that I sell is so high quality. You can literally bleach the hair, curl the hair, reuse the hair. The hair will last you up to 2 years if you condition it and keep it stored properly. I always just keep mine in the same GLEEmade bag that it comes in, and I make sure I wash and condition it and let it fully air dry before I put it in the bag. So now that all the leave out areas are braided down, I always just do 2 diagonal braids to the rest of my hair. I don't do a lot of braids for QuickWeaves. The most braids I do is maybe like 4. So I was just checking to see if this hair is going to match my hair. I wasn't 100% sure because it looks like my hair is more of that fire engine color and the hair dyed more to like that bright burgundy color, but we'll see how it comes out in the end. So I ended up with 5 braids, 3 on the left side and 2 on the right. I went ahead and grabbed my Wonder Bond. This is a glue protectant. This is not glue. This is not harmful to your hair at all. All it's doing is protecting your hair from the glue, and it is water soluble and it washes out. I always use 2 different color caps because it helps me to be able to see when I cut the caps away. So I always use a tan one at the bottom and a black one at the top. So I add more of that Wonder Bond on there, and then I spray the Got To Be. The Got To Be spray just really helps the Wonder Bond to dry faster. So I use my my Yellowbird blow dryer for that part. And then I went ahead and started installing the tracks. Again, these tracks were used for a QuickWeave before. They did have some residual glue on them. I just put more glue right on top. It's not a problem. It sticks fine and it does not slip out. Then I grabbed my little tiny Fisker scissors. I love these for when I'm doing QuickWeaves because it allows me to get really in tight and very precise when I'm cutting away the cap. So I just went ahead and put the bright red tracks at the top, and I did the black tracks at the back. So it's going to give you that nice 2-tone shade. So I went ahead and took out my leave out, flat ironed that, and then went ahead and used my wide barrel curling iron. I will link the curling iron and all the products I use in this video down below. I use a whole lot of hairspray, you guys. That's how I get my curls to stay and how I get them to look the way that I want. I'm a hairspray fiend. I'll link the hairspray down below as well. So yeah, I just used big barrel curling iron and finger combed my curls, and yeah, the look came out really pretty to me. I absolutely love 2-toned QuickWeaves and wigs. I've done this multiple times in the past. I just love a 2-tone look. Let me know what you guys think about this look, and I will link the hair down below. GLEEmade hair is also available on Amazon, so you can also order in Amazon, and I'll link that as well. Stay tuned to the rest of the video because I did end up doing my baby hairs at the end. If you guys are new here, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. It super helps me out with this crazy YouTube algorithm. And if you think you're already subscribed, please check to make sure, because YouTube is out here unsubscribing people left and right. Make sure you leave me a comment down below. I love to hear you guys' thoughts and opinions about what you guys would like to see me do next. And hit that notification bell so you never miss another upload from me. I love to do quick weaves, crochets, and anything to do with hair and fashion. So I made sure I started off by finger combing the hair, and then I went in with a large wide tooth comb to comb the hair out again. I also didn't show me cutting the hair because I didn't have to. Remember, this was a quick weave that I just washed out, and when you wash it out, it's still on the stocking cap because the tracks are glued to it. So when I did the color placement of the hair, the quick weave was already cut from the last time. So the great thing about reusing a quick weave after you wash it and it slides off of your hair, you don't have to cut or do anything to the tracks. All you have to do is when you install them onto the new quick weave, you just remove them track by track and place them in the same placement, and the hair is already cut and ready to go. So this is a much faster way if you want to do your quick weave fast. Just reuse one used in the past. If you like these, the way I did my edges, I did use my own edge control from my own brand. It's called GLEEmade, and I will link that down below. And that is available on Amazon Prime. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. It super helps me out. Comment something to me down below and let's get a conversation going. And please turn on that notification bell so you never miss a new upload. I love you guys to pieces. Peace out.